everyone, welcome you all to the Computer Experts. कैसे हैं आप सब? In this video, we are going to see the interesting session on HTML basics. तो चलिए आज की वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करते हैं HTML basics, फिर हम देखेंगे how to create a simple program using HTML. Without wasting further time, let's start the video. HTML is an hypertext markup language. It's not a programming language. There's various editors for writing the HTML program. For example, Atom, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Adobe Reader CC, and Visual Studio Code. But in this video, we'll use simple Notepad to write the HTML program. For writing HTML program, open Notepad and then we will use certain tags for writing the contents on the browser. As HTML is a markup language or markup language में हमें use करने होते हैं tags for displaying the contents on the browser. For writing HTML program, we will start by writing the HTML in the angle bracket and we will simultaneously close it with the closing tag of HTML by \HTML in the angle brackets, and we are having the two childs over here. One is the head and another is the body. Head is used for displaying the title and the body is used for displaying the various contents of the website. Alright. Head section is used for writing the title of a HTML program. तो head section में हम लिखते हैं title, उसके लिए यूज करेंगे opening tag which is title. Now write the title of a web page. So the title is this is a sample of HTML web page. Now we'll close the title tag with the closing tag of title with \title in the angle bracket. And now we will write the body tag. So we'll write body in the angle bracket. And here we will use certain tags. For example, writing down the paragraph, we will use the P in the angle bracket. This is used for writing a paragraph in the browser. We can use certain other elements also in a web page to be displayed on a browser. For example, here we can also use the button. Let's add here another button titled reject. One thing which you have to note here is you have to close the corresponding opening tag with the closing tag because button, body, head and title are the pair tag in the HTML. Now we will save the program with the extension .html, or you can also save the file with the extension .htm. It's up to you, but make sure to save the file with the extension .html or .htm. तो चलिए सेव करते हैं program with extension .html or .htm. Now minimize the Notepad window and go to the place where you have saved your program. Let's save it to the desktop. Now switch over to the desktop. Now you're able to see this program. Now let's open the saved program by right clicking and open in your favorite browser. See here the content are displayed on your screen. It is showing you one paragraph and the two buttons which are accept and the reject, right? So it's not clickable yet because we haven't added any of the code over here. You can write as many lines as you wanted in the paragraph tag. So let's edit the paragraph tag and let's add some more content into the paragraph tag. तो हम इसमें कुछ इंसर्ट करते हैं फर्दर कोई कंटेंट जो भी हम चाहते हैं कि ब्राउजर पे हो जाए डिस्प्ले. For example, I'm writing here Computer Experts is the best channel to learn HTML and other programming languages. After writing the contents in the paragraph tag, again save the file with the extension .html or .htm. After saving the file, go to the destination where you have stored your program, then right click and open the program. Now you are able to see the contents on the screen. जो भी आपने contents edit किए थे वो आपको visible हो रहे हैं browser के अंदर. So in this way you can write an HTML program. As we have come to the end of this video, I would like to say you one thing. Just try writing this code yourself in the notepad and try to run the program. That's all for today. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. All the social media links are written in the description and the comment below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and good luck.